Hello students. Yesterday we had a discussion of the summary of the story of Rudolph and we did the question answer related to the chapter. Today we will move ahead with the exercises given in the chapter, page number 27. The true and false, that we have to say if the following statements are true or false. First one, Prancer, Dasher and Donder were the names of a few other reindeer in Toyland. Is this statement true or false? This is a true statement. So you will write there true. You will write all these exercises in your notebook. Okay, after you have written the word meanings and the word formation, next will be this question answer which I had given you yesterday, and the fourth exercise this will be this true and false statements. Okay, now we'll move to B. Rudolph's antlers were tiny because he was very young. This statement is true, so you will write there true. C. Santa Claus chose Dancer because he could dance well. Is it true? No. So this is a false statement. So wherever you get a false statement, what you will do, first you will write this statement given in the book, then you will write false, then you have to write the correct statement. So next line you are writing the correct statement and you will write the correct statement, then you will write the statement that you have corrected. So number C is a false statement, so you will correct it. First you are writing the statement whatever is given in the book, then you are writing false, then you move to the next line and you will write corrected statement, and then you will write the corrected statement as Santa Claus chose Dancer because here it's given he could dance well, but that is wrong. So you will write Dancer because he was the strongest. So the corrected statement is he was the strongest. So the full sentence will be Santa Claus chose Dancer because he was the strongest. Okay, fine. So only with the false statement you have to write the correct statement. The statements which are true, let it be like that. Okay. Now D. When the reindeer were happy, they rubbed their feet together. Is this true or false? This is false statement. So again you are writing the statement given in the book, then you are writing false, then you will go to the next line and you will write corrected statement, and then you will write when the reindeer were happy, they danced and clinked their antlers together. Okay. So instead of rubbed their feet together, you are writing they danced and clinked their antlers together. Fine? Okay. Now E. Santa Claus could not see very well because of the terrible fog. You will write true. This is a true statement. Okay. So number 3 is done. Now we will move to the next exercise, that is number 4. Tick the right reason. You may tick more than one option. Okay. So now here, first one A. Rudolph hid behind the holly hedge because the options are given 1, 2, 3. So you will write which one is the correct option. The correct option is 3. That is, he did not want Santa to see his bright red nose. So you will put a tick in that statement, or instead you better, when you are writing in your notebook, you just write A. Rudolph hid behind the holly hedge because, then you will write number 3 in the next line. You will write number 3. He did not want Santa to see his bright red nose. Okay. So no need to write all the 3 options. Just write the correct option. Okay. Next B. After the selections were done, the reindeer were happy because the correct option is number 2. That is, even the reindeer who were not selected got interesting jobs. Okay. So for B, The correct statement is, even the reindeer who were not selected got interesting jobs. So you are not writing all the options, you are writing the statement given in B, and then you are writing number 2 and the answer. Okay. Next one, C. On Christmas Eve, the elves kept bumping into each other because the answer would be number 2, they could not see very well in the fog. Okay. So this is completed. Now we'll move to fifth one, the exercise 5. Match the name of the reindeer with the quality he is famous for. Okay, so when you are writing in your notebook, just write how the columns are made, right? You will write at the top name of the reindeer, and again next column will be famous for being. Then you have to write, the first one is Dasher, and beside it only you will write the correct answer, that is the biggest. Okay, no need to draw lines and match and make it clumsy. Okay, so you will just write the reindeer, name of the reindeer, and you will write the correct answer beside that second column. You first is the name of the reindeer, second is famous for being, and first you are writing Dasher, and in the next column you will write the biggest, the correct answer. Okay, beside the name, the correct answer will be written. Next one is Dancer. Dancer, the answer will be the strongest. So beside Dancer you will write the strongest. Comet. Comet, the answer is the fastest. So beside Comet you will write the fastest. Cupid. Cupid, the answer is the most sure-footed. So beside Cupid you will write the most sure-footed. Next one is Donder. Donder, the answer is the smoothest in landing. So beside Donder you are writing the smoothest in landing. Rudolph. Rudolph, the answer is the shyest. Okay. So like this you complete this also, matching. Now move to page number 28. There you can see the crossword puzzle is there, right? So the crossword puzzle is there. There you can see the pictures are also given as clues. Okay. Now I give you this assignment that you have to solve this crossword puzzle by yourself. Okay. Try to see the picture and try to solve it. Okay. Try to identify the names. You do it yourself. In my next class I will give you the answers. Okay. So first you try it yourself, and in the next class I will give you the answers, what will be the correct answers, and then you match with your own answers. Fine? Okay. So I will take a pause here, and in the next class we will do the grammar section in the book. Okay, we will complete the grammar section, is whatever is given in with the story. So we will complete this. Fine? Okay, thank you.